hip, 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 hip. When you're on a holiday, you can't find the words to say all the things that come to you, and I wanna feel it too. On an island in the sun, we'll be playing and having fun, and it makes me feel so fine I can't control my brain. We'll run away together, we'll spend some time forever, we'll never feel bad anymore. Hip, 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 hip.
Hey drummers, how's it going? It's Alan here for DrumGrades.com. Today, more initial 2018 Trinity Rock and Pop syllabus. We're looking at Island in the Sun by Weezer, a really cool indie song. Just to jump straight into it, guys, performance tips. The challenge at the start of this song is to find the right balance between a driving rock feel and a light, sunny indie groove. Try playing the hi-hat lightly while playing the snare and the bass drum more heavily. At the bridge, you get the chance to make more sound with crash, cymbal crotchets, and an increased dynamic. Observe the orchestration carefully throughout. So basically, guys, what we need to do is not be too loud on this sucker over here, this hi-hat. Use the tip of the stick on the top, but let's give the old bass drum and snare drum plenty of volume. All right, so straight into the music then. As you can see, it's an indie rock song, medium-ish tempo. It's not too bad. We start off with the big black line with the 2. Hopefully you guys know by now that means we rest for 2 bars. Some people misinterpret that as being maybe resting for 2 minutes, 2 seconds, 2 beats, but it's actually 2 bars. Without trying to get too technical on you, as we are playing in 4/4 time, which is a time signature, we have 4 beats per bar. As we're resting for 2 bars, that's 8 beats we're resting for, or 8 counts. So throughout that section, you could count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, or you could just count 1 to 8, whatever. If you're playing along to the backing track with the click, that's really easy because you'll just hear those clicks going along and you just count it. So yeah, while we're counting, I should say, the guitar's playing along, and then we come in with basically 11 bars of the straight 8 rhythm that you guys will know very well now, I'm sure. It sounds a little something like this. Don't forget, guys, it's mezzo forte, the dynamic medium loud, so we don't want to be hitting too hard. Remember, we're using the tip on the top, and it should sound something like this. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4.